Hi, Mark Gordon on February 23rd, 2011, taking a look here at gold. And gold got up as high as $1,416 today. And you can see how it stopped right here at this upper trend line. I just drew a trend line here from the previous two highs and pulled it across. And amazingly, gold is respecting this trend line here. A pullback would take us probably back here to this trend line that I drew off the bottom here and connected this pullback here. A lot of traders do watch these trend lines, a lot of the intermediate term traders. So if we start breaking above this trend line, then we're going to probably go to new high ground very quickly. You can see here that we hit a high, 1423.60 here, a little peak here right at the beginning of the year, and then pulled back all the way down here to a low of 1308, so about under $115 pullback here. And then here in late January we bottomed out and have been running up ever since. We did have a run up here earlier in 2010, and then we started to make this sort of triple top here, 1424, 1430, 1423. So a break above this of these tops here would be very significant, and I think it would bring a lot of buyers into gold. Looking here at the moving averages, we're well above this gray dotted line, which is the 200-day moving average. We're also above this green dotted line, which is the 100-day moving average, and we're also above this blue line, which is the 50-day moving average. And this red line here is the 21-day moving average. You can see how that one is turning up and is probably going to cross here in the next few days. So once you get all these key moving averages lined up, stacked on top of each other, the longer ones at the bottom and the shorter ones at the top, you have a bullish configuration which should bring more buyers into the market as well. So right now pullbacks down to this trend line at about the 1390, 1395 level. If it breaks that, your next support comes in here in the 1371 level, which is the 50-day moving average. And looks like gold is going to run higher. And looking now at a weekly chart of gold, you can see that this channel has been in effect since 2010. So we've been running up along this channel for about a year now. And you can see how it pulls back to the lower part of the channel, then races up, pulls back to the lower part of the channel, races up to the top, pulls back. This pullback was all about here in January. Now, if it goes back to the upper end of the channel, it would be up over $1,500 if it makes it that far. And a pullback to the lower channel would bring us into the 1360, 1370 area. Looking here at a weekly chart of silver, we can see that in 2010, silver sort of was basing, kind of flatlining here, hit a low of 1722 here in the summertime, and then as soon as summer ended, silver took off, and we closed at 3409 today, had a high of 3431. So silver almost doubling since fall here. Just a very, very fast run. I drew a channel line here to show you what a tight vertical channel it's riding right now, almost going straight up. So very, very powerful move by silver still going on. Pullbacks taking you down only to the $32, $33 range here, and let's see how far this goes. But silver is super strong.